Talk to me, baby.
Oh man, what's today? Today is
Goose slaughtering time.
I think it's the 4th. This is the Labor Day of opening weekend. We're over here.
5th.
Today's the 5th. Labor Day, the Monday of Labor Day weekend. We're out here at an undisclosed location.
I'm not sure if there's birds or not.
Not sure if there's birds or not. Supposedly, I think there's a field.
We've been seeing quite a few
Yeah,
bombing into a field close to here.
There's a field just up the street that they apparently have been bombing into. So we didn't hunt Saturday. We did some scouting. But today is our first goose hunt of the season. We're super stoked. We got a bunch of guys here. We're locked and loaded. We're ready to get it done.
Yeah,
let's do it.
The goal for today is to traffic them in, right, Will?
Oh yeah.
You got your flag hand ready? Show me the flag. Show me the flag.
I got the camera hand ready.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get this thing bumping here in a minute. I can get it going. Yep.
What
Good
was
macaroni.
that?
I wanted to talk to you and see about what you got right there.
Huh?
What do you got on the menu here?
Right here?
Yeah.
Something he picked me up. You want half of it?
No. I've got a donut. I think it's in there.
Somewhere. Only gonna eat a little bit. Oh, there's geese right here.
My donut. They spun on a dime.
They were in the pond by the barn, probably.
There was none in there.
Yeah, you can't see the back of the pond unless you go down there.
Which pond?
They're still flying. The pond by the barn.
Off your boots.
Will got that.
That's gonna be B-roll in the front of every film.
I just missed you farting.
Squeeze and everything.
Yeah.
Boss
number 2s didn't have no problems.
Is that where you were shooting?
Ones.
Yeah.
See, like that's the thing. I shot a Winchester at the one right there, and I'm like, it didn't even like hardly fold. And I looked at yours, and it was just like.
Literally like.
Oh shit. We're gonna do it. Got a call.
Kill him.
Got a call.
Kill him. Alright. Goose him down. Alright. Get him. Get him, Dutch. Get him.
Yeah, boy.
Get him, Dutch.
Hey, watch that fly.
I got him.
Watch the call.
Go boy, Dutch. Bring him here. Go boy, Dutch. Bring him here. Come on.
Boys, that's the way to start him up.
Dude, my ears are ringing, dude.
Someone's gonna grab that one.
It's back, boys.
Oh man. Oh man. First flock. And kind of came out of nowhere, and they just did it dirty. So that was freaking sweet. What'd we kill? 4?
Four in, 4 out.
Oh, perfect. All right. Who knows what's gonna happen?
That was about as dirty
Good
as
stuff, dude. You can't ask for anything better than that.
What?
Did you get that, Will?
Dutch, right here.
Nice.
Dutch.
Doesn't know which one.
Come on. Come on.
All right, guys. It's 7:35. We've had
Runs after. I'm like, Chris.
6 geese, I think, come in, and we've killed 6. So we're 6 for 6 right now. It's been a good morning. We just did a little decoy switch, as you guys could tell. Those first couple kind of swooping in and landing right on the edge of the corn and on the grass here on this hill. So we took those decoys, we brought them back down on this side, and now we're hoping that these geese, if they keep coming from this direction, are going to land a little bit more, finish in front of us here, in front of the whole group, so everyone else can get some shooting in. But it's been a good morning. The geese are just doing it dirty. We did lose all wind, so conditions right now are about 70 degrees, overcast, and 0 wind. So, but that's what's going on. So we're gonna hang out for another little couple hours, I guess, and hopefully we'll pick a couple more off. So, you having fun, Will?
Oh yeah.
Feels good to be back in the blind, that's for sure.
What you got, Johnny?
Homemade hamburger helper. You gotta have the best snacks when you're out here. Never know how long it's gonna be.
Why is there so much?
Oh, they're coming.
You see him, Matt? Right over the fence.
Shoot him on the swing or what? Shoot him on the swing or what?
Hold. Hold.
Got
One landed?
Yeah.
Take it easy. Hold.
Good night. Dutch. All right, let's stay filming. Good job. What just happened? Come here, Dutch. Bring him here. Come on. Oh yeah. Kill him! Dude, we waxed that group up, boys. There's one going down by Grandma's. Good job, boys. Good.
Oh my word, baby! Woo!
Safety's on, boys.
Talk to me, Willie.
Holy mackerel.
Did you waylay some?
Oh man.
Hey, get down, get down, get down. Brandon, get down. Good boy, Dutch. Good boy, Dutch. Dude, I thought I heard him, man, when the drone was going.
Johnny boy, what do we make out?
Pretty good. I think we finished out with 14.
14 or something?
14.
She said?
Not a bad day.
I mean, that was
Early season.
Alright guys, we're just took a couple photos here. We're wrapping up. It's about just shy of 11 o'clock. It worked out pretty good. You know, we did scout a little bit and we found some birds that were kind of around this vicinity, and we have a cut cornfield here, a chopped cornfield, and we set up and kind of traffic birds all morning. We do think that the overcast weather helped us out quite a bit as far as hunting into the afternoon and birds kind of bouncing back and forth. So, but anyways, we're gonna close this video out. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. A lot of you watching are not subscribed, so hit the button if you like the content we're producing, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.